Hey guys, if you're like me and you wonder whether to use OEM or upgrade to something different for your brake pads, let me show you why I went with OEM on this 2005 Silverado 2500 HD. I've towed with this thing. I wear it out. I'm the original owner, so I can tell you without a doubt, these are the original pads that I just changed today. And it has, wait for it, 183,039 miles. When I did some research, it seems like that's not uncommon for these OEM pads, which is pretty awesome. My wife's little car there went through hers in 35,000 miles, maybe 40. So those I went back with, what are they called? Okiba. But on this, straight OEM. Got them off of Amazon. I think they were $26, free shipping. There's your model number. I could have got the Pro version of the same. It's the same model number, but it's the Pro version for $52. But I just didn't see any reason to spend the extra 20 bucks when these have done so well. And here they are. It's not like I was here and grinding or anything. I just felt like it was time. The way I knew it was time, there was a little softness. But overall, I mean, you can see they wore pretty evenly. And I'm no mechanic, absolutely not, but I really don't see any issues with these. You know, almost looks like they could have gone another 20,000 miles, but brand new pads, 26 bucks. Really easy to install in a Silverado. I did the rears a few weeks ago. Same thing. They look like this. You know, I thought by now I was an irresponsible truck owner and had, you know, gone metal to metal. I was sure that's what I was gonna find. Nope. They're awesome. So good luck. Hope this helps you.